Hey guys, we received these Bruno Marc men's MaxFlex dress sneaker shoes for test and try. They are the casual Oxford lace-up formal shoes. So as you can see, it comes in a really nice box packing and looks premium quality packing. And let me just open up everything and show it to you. So they are lightweight and also a formal shoes with the dress sneakers look. You can also choose with the different colors and the shades. This is black and white one with the black top and the white sole, a soft thing as you can see it here. From the side, you can also feel the softness. And then these are the lace up shoes, so you need to just lace things. You can adjust the laces and see the things. With the sole, they are the non-slip one, and then cushion with the memory foam, with the air things and the holes things. So after wearing, this feels really nice and comfortable from the sides and everything. So nice pair of shoes.